Sometimes the greatest journey is into quiet. The Philippines offers gentle beauty, where islands breathe with a soft rhythm. Here, the landscape soothes the soul, draped in warm light. The wind carries whispers, trees sway in a slow, hypnotic dance. Find a quiet backdrop for your thoughts to settle. The Philippines in clay is a world to be felt, not just seen. Accept the invitation to stillness. In Palawan, islands rise from turquoise seas, their green hills soft as clay. The water is calm, reflecting the sky, and the beaches are powdery white beneath your feet. Each step is a quiet meditation, the world pausing just for you. Secret lagoons and mossy cliffs create a sanctuary of stillness. As the sun sets, the sky glows pink and orange, and the islands become soft silhouettes. Palawan's gentle shores offer a gift of pure, gentle calm. In the mountains of Banaue, human hands and nature shape beauty together. The rice terraces curve along the mountainside like giant steps of green and brown clay, tended for centuries with patience. Water trickles, fog rolls in, and the terraces are blanketed in a soft white veil. These terraces are living monuments to gentle persistence and lasting beauty. In Banaue, patience shapes the world and stillness grows deeper. On Bohol, a strange and wonderful sight awaits: the Chocolate Hills. More than 1,000 perfectly rounded cones stretch as far as the eye can see. In the dry season, they turn rich brown. In the wet, a vibrant green. Standing at a viewpoint, you see hills rolling on and on, creating a gentle rhythm. The shapes are soft, pleasing, with no sharp angles. Everything is curved and smooth. Even the clouds above mimic the hills, drifting slowly across the sky. It's a scene of perfect harmony, peaceful and otherworldly. The sheer number amazes, but their gentle shape brings calm. They feel friendly, approachable, inviting you to gaze and let your mind wander. The air is still and quiet, the only sound the wind through the grass. Here you let go of worries, amazed by nature's quiet artistry. As the day ends, the setting sun casts long, soft shadows, highlighting the hills' perfect forms. The colors deepen, the world softens into a claymation scene. Every element is perfectly placed, perfectly shaped. The Chocolate Hills remind us that nature can be playful and beautiful. They offer a unique stillness, filled with gentle curiosity and quiet joy. Bohol is a landscape of wonder and calm. The hills invite you to pause, to marvel. Here the world feels light and playful. Stillness takes on a new shape. The journey is one of gentle discovery. The art of nature is everywhere. From the quiet hills, we seek the sound of moving water at Kawasan Falls, Cebu. This is not a single crashing waterfall, but a series of gentle cascades. Water flows down in tiers like soft veils of silk over smooth rocks, glowing turquoise from limestone minerals. The journey to the falls is part of the experience. Walking a quiet path through lush forest, the sound of water growing louder. The air is cool and misty, the trees are covered in moss, everything vibrant and alive. At the base, the turquoise pool invites you in, cool, refreshing, mesmerizing. Floating in the pool, you watch the water fall in slow motion, the world outside disappearing. Each tier offers a new perspective, some pools small and secluded. The water never stops, yet is never rushed. Kawasan Falls teaches us to move with grace and persistence. It offers a place to wash away stress and emerge renewed. Here, water sculpts the land in gentle motion. Stillness and flow exist together. Kawasan is a sanctuary of liquid calm. In Bohol's quiet forest lives the Philippine tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates. Shy and nocturnal, they spend days sleeping on tree branches, their bodies small, fur soft, and eyes enormous. Their eyes, unable to move in their sockets, require the tarsier to turn its whole head. Finding a tarsier requires patience and silence, a meditation in itself. You tune into the forest's quiet sounds, the rustle of leaves, the chirp of insects. Then you spot it, a tiny, furry ball clinging to a branch, perfectly still. Its huge eyes gaze out like a delicate sculpture of clay and glass. Observing the tarsier is an exercise in stillness. You simply watch, breathe, and respect its space. Its slow, deliberate movements are a quiet, graceful dance. In its stillness, the tarsier teaches the importance of being gentle. The most precious things in nature are often the most fragile. Its presence fills the forest with wonder and respect. The tarsier shows us strength in being small and quiet. It survives by blending into its soft, green world. Its eyes see what we miss in our rush, the secret life of the forest at night. A few moments with a tarsier connect you to the delicate web of life. You leave with a feeling of deep calm and renewed appreciation for quiet wonders. The tarsier is a symbol of gentle resilience. In its presence, you find humility and peace. The forest's stillness lingers with you. The beauty of the Philippines extends beneath the waves into a world of vibrant color and gentle movement. With just a mask and snorkel, you float above coral gardens, an underwater claymation kingdom. The coral forms fantastic sculptures, branching trees, folded brains, delicate fans. Colors are soft and varied, pastel pinks, lavenders, gentle yellows. Everything is curved and rounded, as if molded from soft, colorful clay. It's a landscape both alien and peaceful. Fish move like bright jewels among the coral, their rhythm slow and graceful. Schools of silverfish shimmer as one. A blue angelfish nibbles gently. A clownfish peeks from anemone tentacles. Their movements are part of the reef's gentle dance. Watching them is like a silent ballet, mesmerizing and calming. Your mind empties, focused only on the beauty before you. This underwater world is fragile, its beauty dependent on a delicate balance. We are guests here, reminded to be gentle and respectful. Floating in the warm sea, you feel a profound connection to this vast, beautiful system. The peace of the reef stays with you long after you return to shore. The coral gardens teach quiet reverence for life. Stillness is found even in motion. The sea holds its own kind of calm. Here, you are part of something greater. The journey beneath the waves is a journey into peace. The ocean's stillness is unforgettable. Our journey ends on Siargao, known for surfing waves and incredible sunsets. As day closes, the island offers one last gift of stillness. The best view is from a quiet beach or a small boat on the water. The world slows, surfers paddle in, birds fly home, a hush falls. Everyone waits for the skies show, a shared moment of quiet anticipation. Colors begin subtly, then deepen. Orange, pink, purple paint the sky. Clouds glow like soft puffs of colored clay. The colors radiate a warm, peaceful energy filling the landscape. The sea, if calm, becomes a perfect mirror. Palm trees become dark silhouettes against the painted sky. A lone boatman pulls home, a small shape in a world of color. The scene is a masterpiece of claymation art, pure breathtaking beauty that stills the mind. As the sun dips, colors fade to gentle pastels. The world grows quiet and dark. The first stars appear. The feeling of peace remains. The sunset reminds us every day holds beauty. It's a quiet, powerful moment, an end to the journey into stillness. The Philippines' clay canvas is complete. We've traveled through a world of soft clay, gentle shores, quiet mountains, cool waterfalls, and the slow dance of tarsier and fish. Each place offered its own stillness. The Philippines is not just islands, but a feeling, a state of mind. It teaches you to slow down, breathe, and see beauty in quiet moments. This is the real souvenir, a pocket full of calm. When the world is loud, close your eyes. Remember the soft sand, the rolling hills, the rush of falls, the tarsier's gaze. These memories are anchors, bringing you back to peace. The journey doesn't end when you leave. The world of clay is a way of seeing. It's about smoothing the sharp edges of life, finding gentle curves and warm colors. This way of seeing isn't limited to the Philippines. You can find it anywhere. In the way light falls, a leaf unfurls, or in your own breath. Nature teaches stillness. It doesn't hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The mountains, reefs, and terraces were shaped by patience. By spending time in these places, we absorb that patience. We learn to appreciate life's slow, steady processes. We are reminded we're part of this natural rhythm. The Philippines invites us to step back into that rhythm. Find your own stillness. Carry that peace with you always. The journey into calm is never truly over.